Hey guys, welcome to my another vlog. So it's Saturday today and it's a weekend and usually मैं weekend पे happy होती हूँ. My vibes are like on the top level, but these days I'm really feeling low and it's completely fine and I'm healing. So from like past 2 to 3 weeks even I'm not working on anything and that's completely fine. You can take a break for your own self. So आज I thought कि I should cheer myself up or I should just vlog. I don't know what I'm up to whole day, but yes, just let's work on something. So these days I am taking this tablets by Daily Rituals. It's in lemon flavor and it's really helping me out. ये second bottle है मेरा and it includes ashwagandha extract plus NAC plus vitamin C and this is how it looks like. I intake with water and it really keeps me good whole day long and it really keeps me energetic. You just must try this out. It's not a sponsored product. Shower कर लिया. It's 10 o'clock. I'm running late, but कुछ है भी नहीं करने को तो it's okay. I'm really feeling lazy these days. So yeah, मैंने shower कर लिया है. अपने hair wash किए थे. So मैंने ये tea wrap किया है as towel. You should never wrap around your hair as it makes your hair more dry and leads to hair fall. So I usually take cotton tee और दुपट्टा for wrapping my hair. तो अभी मैं अपना स्किन केयर करने वाली हूँ. So for that I'm gonna use this glow serum by My Glam and it's really amazing. It is infused with rosehip oil and vitamin elixir. So I think almost it's empty and I'm currently using this one. So I'm gonna take little quantity on my finger. This is how its texture looks like and I'm gonna apply on my face. If you haven't used My Glam के products, you should just definitely try. They're really amazing skincare and even hair care range. So yeah, मैंने अपने serum apply कर लिया है. So we will wait for a few seconds to just let it absorb. So the price for this is 1195 for the serum, but it really definitely works well and it gives a light glow to your face. So next we're gonna apply is moisturizer. तो winter start हो चुका है and we really need to keep our skin hydrated. So for that I'm going to use moisturizing gel by My Glam. This is their youthful range, which is hydrating moisturizing gel with water bank technology infused with moisture boosting marine minerals, and this is what I'm using since a month I guess and it's really amazing. It is in gel base like this and I'm just gonna apply few quantity. For winter this is really best. It really just keep you hydrated and give you soothing effect. Don't forget your neck. So yes, I have applied moisturizer and really I'm feeling good after my skincare and that's the best part of the day I love. So next we're gonna apply is this My Glam ka under eye gel. This is also really amazing product and so it's come in this cream texture and we're just gonna apply this way. थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगाया है but I really need to hydrate my under skin. We are just gonna lightly massage and this is also so good you guys. So okay, again this is infused with moisture boosting marine minerals and the price for this one is 895. You must try this. It really hydrates your skin and especially for winter these two are the best bomb product you can have. So yeah, I'm done with my skincare up. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. So yeah, I will just apply serum to my hair and let it dry naturally and yes, let's see what we are gonna do whole day. I will surely plan something. I really need to heal myself. So yeah, see you in a while. So guys, I have applied serum on my hair and now I'm gonna okay, I know नो मेरा हेयर बहुत शॉर्ट है कि मैं इसे कट करूँ, बट येस आई रिमेंबर यू नो व्हेन आई हैव माई लॉन्ग हेयर, तो वो लॉन्ग हेयर एक ट्रिक की वजह से हुए थे। लाइक पहले मेरे हेयर ज़्यादा लाइक ग्रो नहीं करते थे, लाइन थी इतनी ही रहती थी। देन आई सॉ सम ट्रिक, आई डोंट नो, आई डोंट रिमेंबर वेयर आई सॉ, बट या इट रियली वर्क फॉर मी। आई यूज टू ट्रिम माई हेयर एवरी मंथ एंड इट लिटरली हेल्प मी इन माई हेयर ग्रोथ। एंड अगेन आई एम गोना ट्राई दैट ट्रिक बिकॉज कितने टाइम से मेरे हेयर बढ़ नहीं रहे एंड this I'm not loving it at all. I want my hair back. I'm really missing my old hair, long hair. So yeah, we are gonna just trim our hair and I'm gonna follow this every month. You must also definitely try this out. Like every month just trim at least twice a month, you can say. Just trim your hair and it will really help you in your hair growth. Just try it out yourself. And now let's just so मैंने अपने हेयर ट्रिम कर दिए हैं एंड बिलीव मी व्हेन आई एम सेइंग यू दिस, डेफिनेटली ट्राई आउट दिस ट्रिक, इट रियली वर्क्स फॉर योर हेयर ग्रोथ। आई विल जस्ट शो यू द रिजल्ट इन 2 to 3 months and yeah, I will show you also how much hair I have cut it down. And yeah, basically what I'm doing is I'm taking good care of myself and I'm just healing my own self. So yeah, now I'm gonna just chill and watch some series or I don't know what, and let me show you how much hair I have trimmed. So this is the amount of hair I have cut it down. Actually I didn't wanted to cut it much, but yeah, next week again I'm gonna cut it down.
So for lunch I'm preparing aloo बैंगन की sabji. So I will show you the recipe. Here I was doing the preparation. All you need is some peanuts, grated coconut and this dry red chilies. So I'm gonna lower the flame and add some dried red chili and bay leaves into it and some long. And then I'm going to add the paste which I made using garlic and some peanuts. Then we need to add this grated coconut. Mix it well and let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes till this turns like pinkish. This really smells too good. Now I'm gonna add Kashmiri chili powder and mix it well and let it cook for 1 minute, and then later adding tomatoes to it and again let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna add this aloo बैंगन which I have already boiled before. You need to mix it well and then later on add haldi, red chili powder and dhania powder into it and mix it well. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes and now it is cooked. You can add coriander to it and it is ready to eat and it tastes really yum.
So we have received this huge parcel and I think it's in PR. Let's just unbox it. Oh my god, oh my god, I just can't believe it. Oh my gosh, this is a dream come true. I'll just show it to you guys what it is. So yay, so now I am official creator of Instagram and wow, OMG, I can't just now I am official BOI recognized creator, and thank you so much Instagram for this. I can't just, I'm so shook. And this is my hard work. I have earned this with my hard work and this is really pretty. Thank you so much Instagram. Thank you for the sending this. Okay, so let's see. Oh my god, wow, this is so pretty, this pillow. And we have this it's atmosphere lamp, it's sunset lamp, I don't know, I'll figure it out later on. So thank you so much Instagram, thank you for this. I just loved it. Thank you so much. Hey guys, so it's 5:30 PM in the evening, or I was subah se editing and I just thought of coming to terrace. Actually I was so tired कि आई थॉट जस्ट लेट्स गो टू टेरेस एंड जस्ट हैव मी टाइम. और हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे बहुत सारे प्लांट्स किए हैं, तो आई जस्ट केम टू लुक आफ्टर इट एंड वॉच दिस सनसेट, ब्यूटीफुल सनसेट एज यू कैन सी. एंड यस, मैं यहाँ पे हाफ एन आवर रहूँगी एंड सनसेट देखूँगी, प्लांट्स को देखूँगी, एंड देन आई विल गो बैक एंड एडिट. एंड या दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. लेट्स एन्जॉय द सनसेट. यू कैन सी सनसेट हो चुका है एंड moon have also rised early. It's just 5:50 p.m. in the evening और sunset हो भी गया है and the view is so beautiful. I love sky. This is our plants. So we have यहाँ पे सब veggies grow किए हैं which are still under process, अभी तक grow नहीं हुई है. और ये है beautiful some plants. So it's 8:30 p.m. and I'm done with my dinner. I cooked today chana masala ki sabji with parotha. That was really delicious. And I'm doing my skincare routine, night ka skincare routine. Only lips hydration is left. You can see on my face I've hydrated it so much. Only this is left. This really keeps my lips so hydrated, you guys. It is a Bare Body ka lip roll-on serum. It's really amazing. So yeah, this is what I do to heal myself. I just cook, take myself out, take good care of my skin. So good night.